Repeat your question, please. What did you just ask me?
What did I just ask?
I didn't hear it.
You asked if I have ever met any of your kids.
Oh, okay. You my kid?
I am your kid, yeah. Hey, hey,
That's what he said.
you're being a tape recorded. Don't say that.
He said
You
it.
think I'm a crazy?
It wasn't me.
I don't know the answer to that question.
You think this is a funny?
Let me see those together. I'll be damn, I got stuff under my eyes. And you're still a young man.
That's because I'm your son.
Oh, whoa.
How can I be your brother if
I
I'm
can't
30
have
years
any more
younger?
sons. I got too many already.
Oh my God.
What is it?
He's got too many sons already. Can't have any more. This is crazy.
You ever run into Paul? And
I am Paul.
Who's your brother, Carlo?
You better send me back where I come from. Start all over.